Sumurak Luna here with fam and nandito kami sa Cali M Cafe and may event sila until tomorrow, until weekend guys, kaya pumunta na kayo. So nandito kami para mag-order lang ng food and coffee bago mag-shift with the fam. So guys, napakaganda kahit kailan ng Cali M Cafe. Yan. So madaming tao guys, kaya visit na kayo today, Friday, October 31st for the first Halloween event ng Cali M and meron pa bukas. May mag-goodies sila, loot bag, and if you buy worth 300 pesos ng coffee, meron kang raffle pabunot na by number makakakuha kayo ng prize. So yun, yan, galing ng anak ko na tsambang makakuha ng Flashy Pumpkin. So, yan guys. So, dito lang yan sa Pasita Complex 1, Macar Avenue, near Pad Thai. Kaya, ito na kayo. Happy Halloween guys. Sumurak na out. Bye-bye. Showtime kami ng food. Ayan siya guys. Napakasulit na kape at pagkain guys. Quesadillas, carbonara, and spicy food. Ayan. Kaya punta na kayo sa Cali M Cafe today. The day event. May event sila dyan guys. Alright. Sumak Luna out. Bye.